The pond. Doing really well this time of year. Not only I have this for a centerpiece and be able to look at and things like that, but it also provides a lot of fertilization and nutrients to my garden. Water is probably the best stuff that you can use on new plants. And this Mexican petunia, like I think these might be weeds in our climate. Fog filter. Did a video on these guys. Love this pond.
Backyard Central. One of these mornings. Let's grow. Let's grow.
Pigeon just up here fornicating, living underneath these panels, multiplying. Please, 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 if you get solar panels, get them covered with a netting on them. My goodness. Yeah, so I don't even know what this is. I mean, maybe it's a sweet potato. Maybe there was a leftover sweet potato in here. It really kind of looks like it. These things just, if you miss any, they will grow. It's that simple. You go and buy a sweet potato from the store, you put it in your soil, and it just grows. It loves the heat and perfect for coverage, right? Living mulch. Looks like this guys don't really like the heat too much. They're still there and it smells so good. I wish you could smell this. The sticker did say I forgot what it was. It was like zone 5 to 8 or something stupid. And they're selling it at Star Nursery in a zone 9, which is weird to me. I still planted it. This is it's mint. Is it like grapefruit mint, I want to say? It smells so good, and I thought that this would turn out so good in drinks. Like, I'm at the point where I'm growing to do things specific. I'm a cook, and I like to make drinks, right? So why not start growing? I'm gonna start getting into growing things where I can make something out of it instead of just growing things. Oh, this is cool, you know. I want to start making juices or fermenting things or whatever the case is, or when I'm cooking, you know, making like a mango salsa. Mango. You know, bananas, making leaves, wrapping up some pork in it, you know. Start thinking about how I can incorporate things with cooking and then growing lots of things based on what I want to start cooking, or maybe I'll start selling things, you know. This can be so much more than just a simple hobby. It's definitely looking stressed out a little bit. It did flower, and I cut that off. It is getting some shade, but not the shadiest spot. Hopefully it does well. There's other mints that do really well. The beans are coming in. And the grape's still going. Man, these bugs just love to land on me. It's freaking me out. Still gotta decide where to put this. It's growing, but it's in the world's smallest pot. And these grapes are gonna go crazy by next season. I can see it already. It's gonna hit. Get away from. Grapes. Just giving it a lot of nitrogen. Let it vine this season. Then next season, that's when the magic's gonna happen. It's already trying to get some grapes going. And this poor avocado is gonna go someplace else.
Peaches are almost ready. This is the year 3. I'm letting it fruit. Generally, the first fruit isn't the best fruit, but just let them grow. We're in a pot. They're generally ready when you can squeeze them a bit. And check out these little finger limes. You see them? Itty bitty. Excited for those. Also in a pot. These guys are looking nice. Nice. Harvester peach. Never heard of it. Bought it online. We'll see how they taste. Generally want to give a couple years to taste things. And these blueberries are doing great. I have them over here so the birds don't eat them, but they're not going to get pollinated underneath this this lace. But yeah, everything's looking really well. Figs are coming in. I think we're kind of at that point where I'm having a lot of stuff. Look at these artichokes. Beautiful spaceship looking flowers. Figs are everywhere. Lavender. More figs. I hope I like figs, y'all. I didn't like fig Newtons, but everybody told me I'm gonna like figs. And that they can taste like different types of fruit. If not, joke's on me, because I got 4. Look at these guys. In a pot, you guys, 15 gallons. This is all you need for a family. You don't need it in the ground. Small spaces. Just squeezing it. These are almost ready. You want to let them give a little give. Get a little give. And more citrus. We'll see how that goes. That might have been infected by the HLB. And isn't this nice? Isn't this nice to be able to just come over and snack on these little morsels. Peach sherbet. Pretty much at least morning sun. I just get a bowl. Put these blokes in there. And I'll rinse them because y'all nasty. I am not eating things that flies that just my dog's poop are all over. Look at those little tasty bits of antioxidants. Blueberries are super healthy for you. And when they establish, they do fine here. Just let them have that morning sun. I'd say these get sun till about one or so. Then it's shaded by the house. Generally get some sorts of fruits to try to rinse off and eat as I garden. Play a little music, a little jazz. And eat off my labor. Zone 9, y'all. Let's grow.